Since the first moment a human hand wrapped around a stone, we have never stopped inventing ways to destroy each other. What began as a sharpened rock became a spear, a sword, a cannon, a missile, and now, something that thinks for itself. This is the evolution of weapons, the most terrifying story ever told, because we wrote every single chapter, stone hand, axe, long before language, before fire, before civilization. There was this, a rock shaped by human hands into something that could end a life. The first weapon ever made, and somehow, the beginning of everything that followed, the spear. The spear gave early humans something revolutionary, distance. For the first time, you didn't have to be close to kill. That single idea would define weapons engineering for the next 500,000 years. The bow and arrow, stored energy, precision, and range. The bow was essentially humanity's first projectile system. Civilizations rose and fell on the strength of their archers, and this elegant invention remained dominant for tens of thousands of years. The bronze sword. When humans learned to smelt metal, warfare changed overnight. The bronze sword was sharper, stronger, and deadlier than anything before it. And the civilizations that had it conquered the ones that didn't. Greek fire. A weapon so terrifying that its exact formula died with the Byzantine Empire. Greek fire burned on water, clung to ships and skin, and could not be extinguished. The world's first true chemical weapon, and a chilling preview of horrors to come. The trebuchet. Medieval warfare was defined by walls, and the trebuchet was built to tear them down. Using nothing but counterweights and gravity, it could hurl 200-pound stones over castle walls with devastating accuracy. Engineering as a weapon of war. Gunpowder cannon, invented in China, perfected in Europe. The cannon made castles obsolete almost overnight. Every wall ever built suddenly meant nothing. Gunpowder didn't just change weapons. It rewrote the entire logic of war. The musket. Musket put killing power in the hands of ordinary soldiers. No longer did warfare belong to knights and trained warriors. A peasant with a musket could drop a nobleman in full armor. The age of chivalry ended with a trigger pull. The Gatling gun. 6 rotating barrels, 200 rounds per minute. The Gatling gun wasn't just faster, it changed what people believed a weapon could be. For the first time, one soldier could do what dozens once couldn't. The machine age had arrived on the battlefield. Dynamite. Alfred Nobel invented it for mining. The world turned it into a weapon. Dynamite packed more destructive power into a smaller package than anything before it, and launched a new era where explosives, not armies, would shape the outcome of wars. Poison gas. Clouds of chlorine and mustard gas drifting across no man's land. World War I introduced the world to chemical warfare on an industrial scale. It was banned by international law, and yet the lesson took decades and millions of lives to learn. The tank. Slow, loud, and terrifying. The first tanks rolled across the Western Front in 1916, and nothing was ever the same. They were immune to machine gun fire, crushed barbed wire, and crossed trenches. Armored warfare had begun. The nuclear bomb. On August 6, 1945, a single aircraft dropped a single bomb and erased an entire city in seconds. The atomic bomb didn't just end World War II, it created a new kind of fear. For the first time in history, humanity had the power to end itself. Intercontinental ballistic missiles. With ICBMs, nuclear warheads no longer needed bombers or pilots. They could travel to the other side of the planet in under 30 minutes. The Cold War was fought in the shadow of weapons that, thankfully, were never used, but always ready. AI-guided autonomous weapons. Here's where it gets unsettling. Today's weapons don't wait for a human to pull the trigger. Autonomous drones use artificial intelligence to identify, track, and eliminate targets on their own. The oldest question in warfare, who decides who dies, is now being answered by an algorithm, Ghost Trigger. The next weapon may not have a barrel, a blade, or a warhead. It will have a mind. And the most terrifying thing about it is that no one will agree on where its conscience ends and its orders begin. From a chipped stone in the hand of an ancient ancestor to a drone that thinks for itself in the skies above a modern battlefield. The weapons changed, the distances grew, the death tolls multiplied, but the human impulse behind every single one of them, fear, power, survival, that never changed at all. The real question isn't what weapon comes next. It's whether we'll finally choose not to build it.